everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ray. Thank you guys so much for watching. In this video, I'm just gonna show you how I style my hair and the products that I've been using. And if you guys watch my videos, then you know that Ecostyler gel has been a huge part of my hair routine. So I was so devastated when I found out that it was being canceled, but thank you, Brie Hall, for looking out for your subscribers. And yeah, she's the one who actually discovered about the Ecostyler gel and all, and I will list the link to the video down below in the description box. And it's been a long journey because it was just so hard to find the perfect gel to replace the Ecostyler gel. I'm so happy that I finally found the perfect product for that. So if you guys wonder what product it is, then please keep on watching. So this is my hair right now. I just washed it and I let it air dry, and of course I didn't brush it. You guys already know that I don't like brushing my hair. But yeah, there's no products at all in it. So before I start working on my hair, I'm gonna show you the products that I'm gonna work with first. And this is of course the Curl Activator Moisturizer by Lustrasilk. And I know you guys have seen me use it like a billion times, and I actually started using it way before I even big chop. This is my holy grail products. Like, I couldn't do anything with my hair without this. I just want to say that this is not a sponsored video. They do not sponsor me. I got this product with my own money. You know, I've been using this for months and months and months now, and honestly the result has always been great. And some of my subscribers actually told me that they got it too, and it's been working like pretty well on their hair. And if you have type 4 hair, then this is the product for you. It's great for, you know, dry bristle hair. So if you have dry bristle hair like I used to, then this is the product for you. It's gonna make your hair super soft and so much more manageable. You guys should definitely try it out. I get it from my local beauty supply store for $6.99, and you can also get it off of Amazon. Honestly, I feel like this product is great for all hair types, but I feel like it is a must-have for type 4 hair. This is gonna change your life. Let me know down below if you guys already got it, and you know, if you like it, because I feel like I can't live without it. So I'm gonna start off and apply like all over my hair as usual. And a little bit goes a long way. You get like about half a liter, 590 millimeters, which is a good amount. And I feel like part of the reason why like I actually don't like brushing my hair is because of this product, because as soon as I start applying it on my hair, like it's so soft that I have no problem finger detangling it. So yeah, honestly you guys should try it out. And it's not sponsored, like I said, it's not sponsored. It's not sponsored at all. I mean, they should, because I've been using it like every single day, but it's not sponsored. So honestly, I'm just telling you all of this based on my experience and my results. Okay, now that I'm done applying it all over my hair from roots to ends, I'm gonna move on to the gel part. And if you guys have been watching my videos, then you know this is the part where I use my Ecostyler gel, black castor oil, and flaxseed oil. But since it's been cancelled, I can't use it anymore. Okay, so it took me a lot of time to actually find like the perfect product for me, because some of the products will leave my hair like extremely dry like the day after and stuff. But I finally found the perfect one, and this is the Shine and Jam black castor oil flaxseed oil styler. I know I love products with black castor oil and flaxseed oil like in it. This is what works better with my hair. It has no alcohol, no paraben, nourishes thirsty hair, adds radiant shine and firm hold, non-flaking, vegan, gluten-free, vitamin E, omega 3, 6, and 9. I got it off of Amazon, but this retails for $15.99 or something like that, and you get 32 ounces, which is a pretty good amount, I feel like. And this is probably gonna last me for 3 weeks, 4 weeks probably. And this is because, you know, I applied all over my hair, so I use a good amount. It smells really, really good. And I've been actually seeing some like reviews about like this product right here. Some people were saying how great it was, and some other people were saying how like you know, the day after, like their hair was like pretty dry and everything. And I feel like this is probably because they haven't really found best moisturizer, or you know, they haven't used like a moisturizer at all. And I feel like combining these two products together is just gonna give you amazing results. And if you've been struggling like me to, you know, find like the perfect product for your type 4 hair, and if you apply, you know, as much gel as I do all over your hair, then I feel like these two products are the one for you. Yeah, and I'm saying this because that's what I've been using for the past week, and my hair feels great. I love, you know, it holds my curls without, you know, leaving them like super dry. So this is definitely a must-have. I don't know if you guys can see from here, but my curls are like so defined. That's the reason why I've actually been wearing wigs for the longest. It's just been a long process, honestly. Like I tried like a bunch of products, but I wasn't happy about the result. I tried the shea butter, the black castor oil one, the leave-in conditioner or something, and I hate how it made my hair. And my hair was like super stiff. There was just no curls, and then my hair was like literally white. And usually, you know, when my hair is white, I'm like, okay, because it's probably because, you know, my hair is still wet and everything. So, you know, by the time like it completely, you know, gets dry, like everything will go back to normal. But this is not what happened with the shea butter black castor. I'm gonna leave the pictures somewhere here so you guys can see which one I'm talking about. But I hated the results. It just cannot work with my hair, so just let it go. Just gonna add some more gel edges and create my side part using this comb. And then just twist it a little bit there, do little twists. So yeah, this is the final look. I'm not even gonna say anything about like, you know, how surprised I am, because I've been using it for quite a while, so I already know, you know, like the results. So I just, you know, like took my time to like find the right product, because I didn't want to recommend something that I was not sure about. You know, you guys already know how I stay loyal to my curl activator moisturizer by Lustrasilk, and I'm saying it because I know how much it can change your hair. And trust me, like I don't cut my hair, like I've been using it like way before I even, you know, big chop. So this is gonna help you like throughout the whole process. Like it's gonna be less struggle for you. It's gonna make your hair super soft and moisturized for days. So please, you guys, try it out. Type 4 hair, this is definitely like the best moisturizer that you guys could have. I've tried, you know, like some moisturizers in the past, and it was good, but not as great as this one. So I keep talking about it because I know what it can do to your hair and how it can change your hair. I love my Shine and Jam black castor oil and flaxseed oil, you know, styler. My curls are so defined, and it doesn't leave my hair like extremely dry. In some reviews I read like some people saying how it will make their hair like super dry the day after, and I haven't experienced that, maybe because, you know, I've used both and not only this gel. So I feel like this will be like the perfect combo. So if you guys have, you know, like short hair like me or long hair, and you guys do like pretty much what I do, trying to find like the best smoothing gel to apply all over your hair, then I feel like this will be the perfect combo for you. I just wanted to show you guys what I've been using since, you know, like the Ecostyler gel has been canceled. And again, I just want to say thank you, Bree Hall, for, you know, sharing this video with us, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and make sure you hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I post a new video. And until then, I will see you guys next time.